Hi, I'm Naveen Sarabjit from Durban, South Africa. And I just want to let you know that Pa is a volcano of unbelievable energy and wisdom. And I've gotten so much from him in just a 3-day program, simply because we all have something that we aspire for, or aspire to. When we reach our goal, when we are successful, according to our definition of what that is, it is important to know who you are at that point, because all of the riches and all of the wealth does not give you that peace and that happiness if you haven't sorted yourself within out first. So it's important to sort yourself out first, and it doesn't matter wherever you are and whatever your goal is. When you reach it, you are content and connected within yourself and aligned with your goals and your wealth and your purpose on this planet.